Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hi, welcome back to my channel, Kemari Reaction. So I'm here guys to do another reaction video. And this is to the group The Boyz, and this is their song Thrill Ride music video. So I'm curious to see Oh, he's selling it. Raw. It's so catchy. Okay. Get in the house. Okay, so they channeling their femininity within this music video, and they talk about sex don't sell, please. Look how he was drinking the water. Oh, that's nice. That is nice. I think it was the 70s or 80s. The color era. That I just love the fact that history did repeat itself, and we're going back to that time of color popping and stuff. Ooh. Come on, sex appeal. Boom, boom. Come on, I just noticed the Dior shirt. Y'all better sell it. Y'all better sell it. He better sell it.
Baby, catch me.
No comment. No comment. No comment. No comment. No comment. No comment. No comments. No comments. This was femininity mixed with masculinity in this music video. Very catchy, very cute pop song. They channel their inner femininity for this one, letting these girl groups know y'all ain't the only one who can sell sack, and I'm here for it, cause this was good. Okay, The Boyz, have I ever reacted to you guys before? Don't recall, but okay, The Boyz, Thrill Ride. Now I'm intrigued. Okay, this was a random pick for me, so I saw it. I was like, oh, watch. So for everybody else, if you guys like it, please leave a comment below. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below, and I'll get to it as soon as possible. As always, who can I hear besides you? I really do appreciate it. Bye.